In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tiled patterns in Inkscape using the built-in Create Tiled Clones feature. This is one of the most powerful tools in Inkscape for building seamless patterns, geometric backgrounds, and repeating designs in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn a single shape into a fully customizable tiled pattern. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Inkscape and creating a new document. Once your blank canvas is ready, the first step is to create the object that will be repeated in your pattern. You can use any shape you like. For example, select the rectangle tool or the circle tool from the left toolbar and draw a shape on the canvas. With the shape selected, customize it using the Fill and Stroke panel. Change the color, remove the stroke if you'd like, or add a gradient. This original object will act as the base tile for your pattern, so design it the way you want it to appear in repetition. Once your object is ready and selected, go up to the top menu and click on Edit. Then choose Clone and select Create Tiled Clones. This will open the Create Tiled Clones panel. This panel is where all the magic happens. You'll see several tabs such as Symmetry, Shift, Scale, Rotation, and more. For a basic tiled pattern, start in the Symmetry tab. Make sure the symmetry is set to P1 Simple Translation if you want a standard grid pattern. Next, switch to the Shift tab. This is where you control spacing between tiles. In the Rows and Columns section, enter the number of rows and columns you want. For example, you might choose 8 rows and 8 columns to create a larger pattern. If you want spacing between the tiles, adjust the Shift X and Shift Y values. Increasing these values will move each clone slightly, creating gaps or overlaps depending on the numbers you enter. Now go to the Scale tab if you want each repeated tile to gradually increase or decrease in size. You can enter small percentage values to create a dynamic scaling effect across rows or columns. Then check out the Rotation tab if you want each tile to rotate slightly as it repeats. Even a small rotation value can create really interesting geometric effects. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Create button at the bottom of the panel. Instantly, Inkscape will generate a grid of cloned objects based on your settings. These are clones, which means they are all linked to the original shape. If you go back and modify the original object's color, shape, or size, all the clones will update automatically. This makes it incredibly powerful for experimenting with designs. If you want to finalize the pattern and make each tile independent, select the cloned pattern, go to Edit, then Clone, and choose Unlink Clone. Now each object can be edited separately. When you're done adjusting your pattern, you can close the Create Tiled Clones panel. From here, you can group the pattern, export it as a PNG, or use it as part of a larger design like a background, wallpaper, or texture. And that's how you create tiled patterns in Inkscape using the Create Tiled Clones feature. As you can see, with just one object and a few settings, you can generate complex repeating designs in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Inkscape guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.